In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove extra spaces in Google Sheets. Sometimes when you're working with data, you might notice that extra spaces can sneak into your cells, and cleaning them up can make your spreadsheet look much tidier and more professional. So let's get started on how you can do this easily using the trim function. First, navigate to your Google Sheets. If you have a sheet open already, that's perfect. If not, you can open a new one by going to your Google Drive and creating a new spreadsheet. Once you're in Google Sheets, identify the text or data that contains the extra spaces you'd like to remove. This could be a cell, a column of data, or even a full row. Next, click on a new cell where you would like the cleaned up text to appear. This will be the cell where we'll input our formula and see the results without spaces. To commence the process, you'll enter a formula. In the cell you've clicked on, type in an equal sign followed by trim in capital letters. Once you start typing trim, Google Sheets should offer suggestions to autocomplete the formula. Click on trim when it shows up. Trim is a useful function in Google Sheets designed specifically to remove all leading, trailing, and excessive intermediate spaces in your text. Afterwards, you will need to highlight or select the cell or range of cells you want to clean. To do this, within the formula, open parentheses and then click on the cell containing your text with extra spaces. Alternatively, you can manually type the cell reference if you know it. For instance, if your data is in cell A1, your formula will look like this: trim A1. Once your formula is complete, press enter. Almost instantaneously, you'll observe that the text now appears without any pesky extra spaces. The trim function works smoothly and swiftly, providing you with clean data. If you've selected a range of cells, you can drag the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, downwards to apply the trim function to additional cells in that column. And there you have it, a neat and straightforward way to clear up any unnecessary spaces cluttering your data in Google Sheets. This fuss-free method helps keep your sheets organized and your data easy to work with. Thanks for watching, and I hope this process was as simple as it sounds. Remember to subscribe for more tutorials, and happy spreadsheet organizing!